Mastering culinary phrases. Marinate with spices. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible to all. Today, we're diving into a flavorful topic that combines cooking and language: the meaning and use of the phrase, marinate with spices. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just looking to spice up your English vocabulary, this video is for you. So, let's get started and explore how this phrase adds zest not only to our food but also to our conversations. First off, let's break down the phrase, marinate. To marinate means to soak food, particularly meats, in a liquid or seasoning mixture before cooking. This process is used to infuse the food with flavors and, in some cases, to tenderize it. The marination period can last anywhere from a few hours to overnight, depending on the recipe and the desired intensity of flavors. Now, onto the second part of our phrase, with spices. Spices are aromatic or pungent substances used to flavor food. They can be dried seeds, fruits, roots, bark, or vegetative substances and are used in both whole and ground forms. When we talk about marinating with spices, it implies the use of a mixture of such flavorful ingredients, often combined with oils, vinegars, or other liquids, to create a marinade that will season the food. You might wonder, why go through the effort of marinating? Marinating with spices does more than just add flavor. It's a culinary technique that can transform the texture and enhance the taste of your dishes. It allows the flavors to penetrate deeply, making every bite a burst of flavor. Additionally, certain spices have health benefits, adding a nutritious aspect to their culinary use. Marinating with spices is a practice that spans across various cultures and cuisines around the world. From the tandoori chicken of India to the Caribbean jerk chicken, each cuisine has its unique blend of spices that reflects its cultural heritage and culinary traditions. Exploring these different marinating techniques and spice mixes can be a delightful way to travel the world through your taste buds. We hope this exploration of the phrase, marinate with spices, has enriched your English vocabulary and maybe even inspired you to try out new flavors in the kitchen. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing words but understanding the culture and context behind them. So, don't be afraid to experiment with both new words and new recipes. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more engaging content. Happy learning and happy cooking!